Today we're going to talk about scraping off grout from baseboards. You may be doing this because maybe you removed the baseboards and maybe you are replacing flooring and you had to remove the baseboards and there was grout stuck to it. This also has some caulk and some grout. So what we're going to do is we're going to use this tool. It is a Vaughan scraper, razor blade, and we're just going to scrape the grout off the baseboard and then we're going to paint them and reinstall them. But we're going to show you how we remove this grout from the baseboard or the caulk. You just want to make sure that you scrape with the razor blade as close to the edge of the grout or the caulk so you don't scratch any more of the baseboard. And just slowly work your way scratching it off.